Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your JD Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in jdbank.com and click on enter. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of JD Bank. If you want to log into your personal account, you can simply type your username and password in this box. Or if you want to log into your business account or bill matrix account, click on these buttons here. After typing in your username and password, click on login button to get successfully logged into your JD Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link which is right below the password text box and follow the instructions to reset it. Or if you have not made an account or want to create a new account on JD Bank, click on Enroll Now link and follow the procedures. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.